So BMW Z4 Roadster, and today we're gonna be removing the headliner. Apparently headliner, as you can see, it's super dirty, it's nasty, and I did try to wash it, and in the corner in there it doesn't really look like, but at the center right here I had the spot. This one is not me, this was pretty much as I purchased the car. But today we wanted to repaint the headliner. So there are going to be two videos. First one we're going to remove the headliner, and the next one we're going to be repainting with the airbrush, with the cloth dye or fabric dye, which is going to be epic. Anyway, stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button if it's applicable after all. And let's get to the removing the headline. 2009 BMW Z4 E89 S-Drive 35i, which is not really connected, all that stuff, but E89 after all, Roadster. We have two sections with the headliner, which is one at the back right there. It separates this line. I'm expecting that opening the roof going to be much easier, as the rear portion right here gonna pop on the top. So let's do that right away, and then we're gonna press the button to open the roof. So I'm not gonna go farther as far as we're gonna be able to reach the back, but more important, we gotta start from the sides. And there's the picture of pin locations, basically right in my face. So we're gonna start it from the corner. Right at the corner right here, we have a little metal kind of clamp that is clamps onto the headliner itself. So as we have sort of opening right here, I'm gonna use the plastic pry bar, and we'll try to reach for that pin right there. It's not really happening. Gotta yank it a little bit, same as at the middle. It's kind of scary, the noises. So get in the gloves, because you know. Okay, so the rear portion is out. So as we have opening, we can kind of dive deeper, start popping those. Oh, the liner is like, so it does not look good, because we have some sort of crack right here. So let's get to the couple more, and voila. So the headliner is removed, only the front portion, but for some reason we cannot close the roof or open it. It's showing us